Earthlings, and welcome to another one of my fun-sized adventures here in Scotland. Today I'm here in the famous Glencoe. I'm just below the road. There's the road there. I've come away from the tourists to start my walk. I will be heading to the Lost Valley for my first ever winter wild camp. Thank you for joining me, and we shall see if I can find a good spot. Where the tourists are. This is where I started. Historically known as the Hidden Valley, it got its name due to the ability to hide hundreds of cattle. Tucked away behind the Three Sisters and surrounded by towering peaks and ridges, it is believed that the MacDonald clan used to hide their livestock as well as the cows they have stolen here. And having hiked this trail, it is quite impressive if the MacDonalds really did manage to smuggle hundreds of cows into the valley. The route was quite easy to follow. I just walked along the right side of the river for about an hour, passing by some pretty impressive waterfalls. I eventually had to cross the river, and it rained the night before, so crossing was a bit tricky. You're right.
Thank you very much.
Dry shoes for their feet, we wind them and dine them, they ate or read, and slept in the house of MacDonald. Cruise the snow that sweeps Glencoe, and covers the grey O'Donnell. Cruise the folk that raped Glencoe, and murdered the house of MacDonald. They came from Fort William with murder in mind. Campbell had orders, King William had signed, but all to the sword these words underlined. Leave none alive called MacDonald. the house of MacDonald. They came in the night when the men were asleep. This band of Argyles through snow soft and deep, like mother and foxes among helpless sheep, they slaughtered the house of MacDonald. Cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave of Donald. Cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald. Some died in their beds at the hands of the foe. Some fled in the night, were lost in the snow. Some lived to accuse him who struck the first blow. But gone was the house of MacDonald. Cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grey O'Donnell. Cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe, murdered the house of MacDonald.
Hello again. I am now in my tent, my Lanshan one, using the 3-season inner. Did my best to prepare to make sure I get a warm night, but only time will tell whether I did enough. Thanks Ray, by the way, for my headband. I also used the knife that you gave me. Sleepy time for me. Good night, and I'll catch you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. The time is now 6:30. I thought it was gonna be really cold last night, and it was really cold, but as soon as I got in my sleeping bag, and I also have a thermal sleeping liner, it's really toasty. I don't think I needed 4-season Ina for my Lanshan. However, the condensation is really bad. It's time to put the kettle on and make some breakfast. I'm all packed, and that's where I stayed. The Lost Valley, or the Hidden Valley. It's been a surprisingly warm night. I'm so glad that my sleep system worked. The goal would be to stay at the cuddly bothy tonight. We'll see. It's about 11 o'clock, which is a bit later than I was hoping to leave. But it's been raining pretty much all morning. I was waiting for it to completely stop, but it didn't, so I thought I might as well just go because it was getting late. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me again on this one. My fun-sized adventure in Glencoe, Scotland. Hopefully see you at the bothy.